Well, hey there, I'm happy to announce it's Nacho Day 2024. And I'm hosting a group collaboration celebrating nachos. This is actually my 4th time hosting this collaboration. I just love Nacho Day. Well, for today's nachos, I'm gonna be making Gyro Nachos. Let's do it. Pan. I have some oil cooking and I've chopped an onion. Let's start cooking that up. And a tablespoon of garlic. I have a pound of ground lamb, yum, that I put in next. Let's add some black pepper, salt, some cumin, some oregano, and a little rosemary. On a pan, I need some tortilla chips. I'm also going to use some Pita chips. I'm going to add some cheddar jack cheese, that lamb mixture, and a little more cheese. In hindsight, I think I should have used some feta cheese, but this will be good. So basically, you're just going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until that cheese melts. And now all you have to do is add some tzatziki sauce and it'll be ready for serving. Gyro Nachos. Amazing flavor. Love that lamb so much. The tzatziki sauce on top, exquisite. To see more videos that are a part of this Nacho Day collaboration, you will have to check the link in my description. Or you can check the hashtag Nacho Day 2024. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. What do you call it when a sheep jumps out at you? A lamb bush. Meh.